the first unit of the paper one is reaction mechanism of transition metal complexes. So in the transition metal complexes, the first one is ligand substitution reactions. In the ligand substitution reactions, we discuss about energy profile of the reaction and transition state and activated complexes. Again, we discuss about types of substitution reactions SC, S1, SN and SN1 and SN2. Again, Langford and Chidwick classification. A means association mechanism, D means dissociation mechanism, and IA interchange association mechanism, interchange dissociation mechanism, and intimate mechanism. So first we discuss about what are the substitution reactions. Mainly two types. First one is nucleophilic substitution reactions. These nucleophilic substitution reactions are again classified as SN1 and SN2. SN1 means nucleophilic substitution reaction in the unimolar, nucleophilic substitution reaction in bimolecular reaction. The second one is electrophilic substitution reactions. The first we discuss about nucleophilic substitution reactions. In these reactions, a nucleophile, that is nothing but in our coordination chemistry, the nucleophile is nothing but a ligand. A coordination complex says that MLN is replaced by another nucleophile L dash. So this MLN means number of ligands. This N is number of ligands is a coordinate. Octahedral it is 6, whereas it is 4. So one of the ligand is replaced by this one, and the reduce in the coordination number of the incoming ligand is replace the outgoing ligand. So L dash is the incoming ligand, L is the outgoing ligand. So here we discuss with one example, aqua cobalt 2 plus complexes. So is a chloride is the incoming ligand, outer is the outgoing ligand. So heat is the octahedral complexes. Again we discuss about platinum Cl4 2 minus. So NH3. So here the platinum NH3 Cl chloride is ammonia is replaced the chloride complex. So here NH3 is replaced the here one chloride is replaced by the ammonia. So ammonia is the incoming ligand, chloride is the outgoing ligand. So this type of complex is called as planar complexes. Next, nucleophilic substitution reactions or metal substitution reactions. Nucleophile is nothing but in coordination chemistry, nucleophile is metal atom with electrophile is metal atom and nucleophile is a ligand. So in these reactions, E plus is nothing but electrophile, that is in a coordination compound complex is replaced by the another nucleophile, it is nothing but M dash. So one of the metal atom is moved into the coordination sphere. In the metal atom in the center of the coordination sphere, the metal atom is moved from the out of the coordination sphere. So this type of electrophilic substitutions occurs in some very less complexes. So here cobalt NH3 5 times Cl plus 2 is the mercury. We take the mercury. So this mercury is replaced with the cobalt. So H3 NH3 5 times Cl plus and cobalt plus 3. So this is the electrophilic substitution reactions. Again the nucleophilic substitution reactions are again the ligand substitution reaction is morely occurs in the so here the most of the ligand substitution reactions nucleophile substitution reactions. So these are the two types. Again I had already told you SN1 reaction and SN2. SN1 is nothing but nucleophile substitution reaction in unimolar. SN2 is nothing but nucleophile substitution in bimolar reaction. So nucleophile substitution in unimolar means only one molecule is reactant in the reactant. So this one molecule is dissociated into two molecules. Then only the incoming ligand come and attach to the complex. So when SN2 is nothing but association mechanism, that means the number of coordination number is increases. Here the coordination number is decreases. So here the intermediate mechanism is observed. It is called as interchange mechanism. So these are two types. First one is ID and dissociation interchange mechanism. IA is dissociative interchange mechanism. Again we draw the profile diagram for the SN1 reactions. So I already told you in SN1 reaction in the first reactants the metal and outgoing ligand has a bond, incoming has no bond. But in the dissociation in activation complexes are higher in energy. So the energy profile as the metal is dissociated from the incoming ligand and nothing but outgoing ligand, metal atom and incoming ligand are independent. There is no addition bond making is takes place only here, bond breaking is takes place. So I write like this: L comma M comma L dash. Again the after I write star here is nothing but a activated molecule. Again again this activated molecule is reacted with the incoming ligand. So again bond is takes place M L dash comma L. So this is the, in x-axis you write the reaction coordinate, y-axis you write the energy. So reactants are more energy compared with the products. So we draw like this. For example, SN2 reaction association is takes place. So that's why in that the metal and in outgoing ligand and incoming ligand both are like this. In the transition state here the the activated complexes are intermediate. Here it is the transition state. In the transition state the incoming ligand is moved towards the central atom and outgoing ligand far from the central metal atom. So this type of code simultaneously takes place from the incoming ligand moving and outgoing ligand go outside from the coordination sphere. So again the product is M L dash and comma L.